There's not that many large ones for solvers, 4 or 5 anyway.
All right, let's bring most of this to the other tables and a couple lights to follow me with. Anny, how are you? I'm really great.
In fact, let's just go this way.
Got some money.
Do you want to go to the bottom?
Thank you very much. I can move a number of the larger works, the Frankenthaler, the Klein, the Newman, the two Pollocks, down to the 4th floor. Do you want to dust them or do something first before they go down?
I need to vacuum the bags before you
Of
take
all
them.
of them? Okay.
That would be ideal. You know, I can't tell the difference, but I feel different. Just because that handprint disappeared.
I got the top.
Let it go. Yep. Perfect. You want it? It looks like it might hit the back right now.
It's heavier than I was expecting.
You know, I think it's going to be very quick. Watch your leg, Bo. Thank you. Yuck! Wow. This is just a holding spot. It's not going to be here. The painting installed here. Feels good that it's clean.
feet on each side, approximately. That's good.
You want to take that slide?
Yeah, slide, both sides, yes.
Yeah, that's good.
This is the whole you're going to propose.
Used to be able to see it. Used to be under that.
Because the pole.
Oh, the pole.
Just, I think the shield, I said to drop a line here, shield and pot.
Yeah, that's fine.
What time is it, by the way? How are we doing time-wise?
2:15.
2:15. We're in really good shape.
Rosalind, this is Phil.
Hello.
This is the other artist, yes. No, he's the artist. He's one of the artists. John and Phil are the two artists,
I'm the
yes.
good looking.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
Good.
The sound has shape.
Yes.
You'll put your head in it, and then it's like, hold it. What's the shape of the sound field around this thing? I think that's one of the really unexplored, unarticulated, how do you listen to this thing?
Yes. Yeah.
What are you listening for?
Right.
So by the way, there's almost as much time if we've been hanging for a day and a half.
Yeah.
The refinement is probably almost as much
A
time.
day and a half.
So we're changing the way people navigate galleries, and I just want to make sure that there's a good reason why we shouldn't be on the left, we should be on the right. If we decide to put the sign on one side only,
I like the idea of them being in two different sides.
I mean here and
Yeah,
here,
it's like,
but at the same time, if you just look at one side, you already know both directions.
It is actually easier to see it all on one side, like without it being that kind of.
but I
Right.
think at the same, I guess.
We can hold it.
Bring it back.
Diana's getting the vacuum.
You want to do this?
Yeah. Diana's running over.
We're going to 9. We go this way. Are you ready, Bradley? I think we're going to lay it down. Are we going to lay it down like this? Top, bottom. Okay, face up, ready? Face up.
I like Bo. I like Bo. Yeah. He's very, very good instructions always.
So Ezra, I want you to just follow whatever anybody else is doing. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Got ready, girl. Well done.
Or you guys would.
We went to the Museo Picasso in Paris, and the truck, the narrow streets in Paris didn't fit, so they had to walk the painting. It was crazy, yeah. That was the last time we
Do you remember when
landed.
this was shown unframed, Ani, in
Yes.
the Elderfield show?
Yes. Did you like it on frame?
I mean, sure, it was amazing to see it that much looking just like a painting.
It's your favorite painting, huh?
I don't know if it's my favorite. It's one of my favorite. It's weird to see them together. The 5 women on each, I just counted them for the first time. This is not supposed to happen. So it's a good moment here. Okay.
check that orientation.